video course. My name is Alan Thorne and I'll be your instructor on this comprehensive course for game mechanics in Unity 5. If you've got some experience with Unity or just want to jump in at the deep end, and of course if you want to make incredible video games, then you've certainly come to the right place here, because in this course I'll show you how to create functional and playable games through scripting and other advanced features. Here in this part we'll jump into the world of scripting with C#. Specifically, I will show you just how easy it is to create script files, start building functional objects and interactive scenes, and making things come together to form a real game. We'll explore components, game objects, debug statements, console logging, and classes and events. I'll assume you're already familiar with the C# language, but we'll show you how that language can be applied and used for the best results in the Unity 5 engine. Now there's lots to cover in this course, so let's get started.